How to fix phone screen flickering. Hello, everybody. In order to fix that issue, you may follow the step. So, first of all, you can start with a simple restart your device. So, just go ahead and long press on your power button and look for the restart option and solve that. Should probably solve the temporary glitches that might be causing the flickering. After that, you can just go over to your settings and you can disable the adaptive brightness. So, head over to settings and go over to display from here, and we have this adaptive brightness option. You just need to go in and turn it off, as adaptive brightness adjusts screen brightness automatically, which can sometimes cause flickering, especially when the setting is not optimized. So this is another method you can apply up. Apart from that, head over to your setting again and you need to update the software. So go ahead and look out for your software update and ensure that your software is updated to the latest version. Otherwise, go over to the app that is flickering. For example, if your Netflix app is flickering, you can just go ahead and long press on the app and go ahead and install the app and also update the app to the latest version. For that, you can use the device's Play Store, for example, and head over to search and then search for Netflix or any other application that is flickering. After that, go ahead and look out for update, and if any kind of update is available, just go ahead and update your application, including your operating system as well. And if you have recently dropped your phone or subjected it to pressure, the flickering could be a sign of a hardware damage. So if you suspect any physical damage, consider seeking for a professional repair, and that should help you. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to fix phone screen flickering. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in another video.